hope you enjoyed the opening sequence there, because we are now at Ballydowane Bay. I thought I'd do things differently and just show you a bit of aerial footage around some of the features here. And one thing about the Copper Coast, that it wasn't all copper. There was actually silver and zinc mining here. And that happened around the 1750s, and the copper mining happened, I think, in 1825 to about 1875. So roughly 100 years, a century apart, time difference in that. And here in this spot, Ballydwan Bay, the mining actually extended into the sea, and during stormy conditions the miners could actually hear the boulders from above crashing into each other. I'm sure that was a unique experience for them back then. But just show you around here at ground level so you can see that's the far end. If you do visit, it's pretty camouflaged at the moment against the far cliff, but you'll notice a stack, and there's a gull on it at the moment. I don't think you can see it that well, but once we get closer you'll see what I'm on about. And I'm trying to dodge the waves because they're coming in thick and fast. I haven't seen the waves as rough as this along the coast for a long while, so I can't show you all sunshine all the time here. Got to show you a mixture of different weather conditions. That's what makes it so special around here. It's hard to predict from day to day, and in Ireland you rarely get constant sunshine weather, but it's not all doom and gloom though. The sea is very noisy today, you can no doubt hear it, but we've gotten closer to that stack now. I'll show you it in all its glory whilst it's surrounded by the sea here at Ballydowane Bay. Now there we have it, ladies and gentlemen, a unique structure here. So just to reiterate how to get to it, once you come up to the beach, step onto it and just turn left, go as far as you can go, and as you start walking to the left cliffs it will come out to you as if by magic, because it is camouflaged very well. And I'll tell you a story. When I first came to look for it a few years ago, I actually thought I was in the wrong place, and no one told me how to find it, or it was camouflaged against the background rocks. But I'm glad I did afterwards, because it's a great photographic spot here. You get shots of the Milky Way here and do long exposures. Almost got me then, that wave. Managed to jump back in time, but my left foot is a little bit soaked from earlier because I inadvertently copped a wave. The sun has finally come out. I was waiting for it. It's been mostly a bit of drizzle all day, and we are now at Ballyvoony Cove. This part of the Copper Coast is all foreign to me. I've never been to it before. I've only ever just stopped at Ballydowane Bay. That's as far as I got to before returning back home. But there's an interesting fact about this spot. About 460 million years ago, if any of you were alive for that long, this part was actually part of the South Pole, or close to it. That's hard to fathom these days because it's almost on the other side of the planet. It's a lovely spot here. The waves aren't as bad as they were at Ballydowane, but still a little bit rough. Makes all the difference with a lovely blue sky. Yeah. And I'm trying to dodge the waves again. That one was a little bit too close for comfort. Wow, and look at that gorgeous light over those cliffs there. And there's actually a little car park just opposite where you can park away at your heart's content. And I'll show you this little bridge as well, very quaint, with the stream, with the water flowing into the sea, right there in front of you. And let's take a look. See under the archway, bit of greenery there, and the sun above. I say sunset is 2 hours away there.